Hi everyone, so today I have this ephemera kit that Diamond Press has brought to HS, and super curious to see what all is in here. It says it's the Mega Ephemera Kit version 2. So let's open this guy up. So Diamond Press did send this item free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. Ooh. And the links I'll have in the description box, possibly embedded in the video up here. There's like a shopping bag maybe underneath the title, maybe it says shop. It'll pop up on the right sometimes, maybe it'll pop up on the screen. YouTube loves to keep us on our toes there. Maybe at the very top of the description box, those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thank you guys so much for doing that. Supports the channel, keeps me here, you know, doing these videos for you. So let's open this up. Oh, you know, I just noticed, like, it's not just a bunch of ephemera that's just already cut down, that kind of thing. So let's see what this is about. Oh, 3M good stuff. Little like wax seals or faux wax seals. I mean, they pretty much do what wax seals do, right? That's what it looks like, the thickness and everything. So you have all these different ephemeras. It looks like there are different holidays in here. So we have, or just everyday, you know, just different things. So all these Christmas pieces here. Very cute. And then all of this Halloween. Of course, we'll look at these, you know, I might go through it kind of quickly, but if you want to pause, you can kind of see. We have more of like Americana type things here. Oh, that's cool. Anyway, so this one here is like springy, right? The little lambs and bunnies. Oh, actually, I pulled up earlier after making some errands, and there was a rabbit. There are babies out right now. Oh, I guess it's spring. Yeah, that makes sense. So anyway, there's little baby ones, and they don't know what to do. And they just live here. I don't care if they live at my house. You know, there's a ton of families in the backyard. There's some in the front. And it was so funny because we pulled up with my kids a couple days ago. Okay, I know this is sidetrack here. And the little bunny was just like right at the edge of our driveway and right by this window. You know, the house kind of comes in like this. And the kids had seen it and said, okay, when you open the doors, don't scare it. Just leave them alone. They're like, okay. And so Doran's like, man, don't even look at it. Just act like we don't see them. So we just kept walking, and the bunny just sat there like frozen because that's, you know, one of their mechanisms, right? Defense mechanisms. And I'm like, that's so funny. It's like the smallest bunny thinks, oh, that worked. It's like, no, we just didn't bother you. You know? So we just walked by, and yeah, he just stayed there and then went along, you know, eating grass, whatever it was doing when we first pulled up. He was nibbling on some grass there. And so right now one was in the driveway, and I was like, oh no, like I don't want to get close to him if he does that, you know, frozen kind of move. So I kept driving just slowly, and then it finally ran off. I was like, okay, good. And then I parked. But yeah, bunnies are all over the place right now. Okay, on this opposite side, we have Thanksgiving kind of things, a little fall. Very cute. I love all the different looks there. And then Valentine. So yeah, this is definitely year round. We have the love heart hands, you know, cute little matchbox. That is adorable. Love you tags. It looks like just like little kind of words and titles and stuff like that. Might be great for scrapbooking, right? We have our St. Patrick's over here. Very cute. It does have things like Happy Easter, the magic of Easter mixed in here, so, you know, still springy kinds of things there. And then here we have like cakes, so maybe everyday kind of birthday types of things. Candles, you have like bows. Super sweet. Okay, so you have your wax seals. And of course, to use these, you're just going to take, you know, peel that backing off and then put it on wherever you want. Oh, you know what? I thought they were all one type. So you see the little flowers, a heart. This one says XO. This says just for you. That's cute. So there are different designs there throughout the year. Cute. So let's open this up. Yeah, so they're definitely going to be the kind of thing that you're going to punch out. All right, let's get this guy open. So let me give you an idea. The paperweight, it's not like heavyweight construction type weight. Whenever you're popping these things out, I always use it. I'm already getting tongue tied. And whenever I pop these kinds of things out, I push them towards me and away. Like the part that you don't want, obviously, you're not gonna use that. Push that back and bring this forward. In case there's like foiling or anything that's on the very edge, it'll stay with the item instead of being pulled. If you pull it this way, you can imagine it could maybe tear it away, right? So just pop the item towards you. So these are definitely kiss cut pop outs or pull up. I don't know what you would call these. Tear out pop outs. Anyhow, cute little frame on that one. So yeah, I would definitely do that with all these. So again, the St. Patrick's kind of feel here on this one. Then the Christmas. Cute. Again, see how that foil is around the edge? So pull it towards you instead of away, because then you can, that little tab might just tear your foil. Cheers, special delivery. I mean, really nice size. Hopefully you can tell they're not like these tiny little things. Hocus Pocus. Look at this like Ouija board that, I don't know what they call it because I never played with that, because I would never trick or treat. Yeah, I always say I don't believe in ghost things like that, but I'm good. 'Tis the season. Cute little frame. Oh, look how pretty. A little postage. And over here we have little cars and like, oh, a double-seater like bike, little scooter. Thank you. The matchboxes, that is so cute. I feel like I have these upside down. Maybe I should, because I keep telling me to turn them. Let's go this way as we look through them. Okay, so you have your balloons. Again, I'll just leave them like this so you guys can see. I mean, super cute. Little bats. I mean, oh my gosh. Good size. I mean, I don't know how to measure these. I mean, this guy is like 3.5 inches or so, if that gives you an idea. You know, you can see this frame kind of on my grid mat of every 4 is an inch, so you can kind of have an idea how big these things are. Cute. The little rainbows, egg hunt, blessings, family. Again, these little tags would be really adorable in scrapbooking. This one has a little soft feel, kind of like a watercolor look, right, for these spring items. Look at them. So cute. Yeah, and when I was keeping out my garden, I've been remiss in that. The bunnies never bothered anything, so I'm always like, I don't know, people just don't like that they eat certain things, I guess. I don't know what they eat, because here it seems like they eat the grass, and like, not even the grass, like the weeds, because, I don't know. They don't bother anything. I think one time they even dug a hole under our little raised beds. They're a little bit raised. And yeah, nothing happened. I don't know. All right. So they were living under there. Cute. Little geese and things. Beautiful florals. You have more tags and these cute things. This is just pulled back, but it's not damaged or anything. It's just where it comes away. Oh, look at the keys. Lovely. You have your Americana that we spoke of, little like milk pail kind of thing. All these beautiful pieces that are foiled. Red, white, and blessed. Thank you for your service. Speaking of, my husband is retiring. He's in terminal leave probably by the time you guys see this, so he's going to start a new job while he's retiring, wrapping up with the Marine Corps as Lieutenant Colonel. So not a moment too soon. Like it's been a while. It's been a while, guys. He's been in, what did he do, 48, 18, 30 years. Maybe he spent a little time, like 6 months out, but went back in, you know, after the first 4 years. So yeah, he was on reserves for a little bit and then went back full time. All right, JOY, there you go. Happy Easter to you. Easter with family. Look at that. This is what I was looking at. I thought that was really cool. Declaration there. Cute. Nice and big. I mean, that's, again, a scrapbook page or just a card topper. It'll work really well. You're going into Valentine's. More of this. Maybe I'll mix this back, you know what I'm saying, put things, arrange them so that they're in order of holidays here. Giving thanks. Really cute, the colors. Again, the spring things are very different in the artwork than some of these other ones. Your pumpkins, little corn. Oh, look at the cakes. I have an idea about using a piece of cardstock that I already have ready to go, so I think I'm gonna put this to the side because I'll probably use those. Something from here. They very much look like those cardstock stickers that you might have. Obviously, they don't have adhesive on the back, but that's what they feel like. All the candles, very cute. So like I said, I'll put that over here. Back into Valentine. Frames are just lovely. Little kids, so cute. I like the little latte here. You got your little pumpkin butter or something like that, right? Thanksgiving. All your little desserts and cute things, pumpkins and stuff. Frames and candies. The little skeletons are so cute. This one is like, like this little expression, if you will. This is beautiful. I would say this one already popped out of there, but there you go. It's right here. This piece. Just beautiful on this. The artwork and the colors are really nice, right? Just something different. There's that guy. And then your Halloween set here last. Okay, so when I said, when I saw that it was an ephemera set, I was like, oh, you know what? I'll use one of these 3D pieces that I made in the very first video. yeah, the very first video that I released for this craft day, and it's showing you all these different embossing folders and adhesive cardstock and all these great things. So I have a card base here. This is A2. It's 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4 if you're making your own, or however you like to make your cards. And I have this piece. Now I like layers, so I'm going to cut this to a matte layer instead of just leaving it the way it is right now. But you can definitely just leave it as a topper. It's whatever you like. So I'm going to cut this down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. That's the kind of matte layer I like. But if you like quarters, that'd be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I believe this is available there on HSN too, the Diamond Press Guillotine. And I don't know if you heard that. It's like so crisp. It's like, I love that sound. Nice and tight. And then to put it away, you want to just make sure that it locks in case you happen to just grab it or whatever, you want that blade tucked away. Okay, I'm just going to glue this down and then we'll continue from there. Yeah, so this piece was run through those beautiful new 3D embossing folders that Diamond Press just put out. So we have that there. Ooh, I already have this cut. Maybe we'll use it. All right, one of the frames here. I'll put this to the side here, and if we're going to use that, we have Some Days Just Called for a Celebration. That's very cute. The cake with the love on top. That I love that. That is adorable. You have the candles. You have some little florals. I feel like this cake goes really well with my background color, right? We have a little cake. Should we have some little flowers with the cake? I'm not sure. Let me think about that one for a moment, and then I'll pop out. Oh, you know what? Maybe one of these guys, a little smaller one. Something like that. And let me think about the sentiment part. Okay, so we have all these sentiments here, so maybe the happy birthday to you. All right. And then you have all these other things. I already have a lot of gold in the background, but you do have these little flourishes. That'd be really sweet. Okay. It'll be something like this. So let me just pop this down in the background. And then maybe the cake and the sentiment have some dimensionals behind them. So we're going to put that there. And I think maybe this little flower will peek out from behind the cake. So let me get some dimensionals. I'm just going to use the same like height of dimensionals on both of them just so that they kind of overlap each other a little bit, but does that make sense? So like I'll put dimensionals here and here, but not in between the two. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's see. I want to keep that there. Oh, I haven't pushed down. Another thing that'd be fun to do with this is kind of curve it just in the center and only put 3D adhesive down the center and then glue the sides down. Maybe I'll do that. This is really on there, but maybe I'll just kind of try to get these a little closer to the center and give this a little bit of a curve. I was going to put this flower behind here somehow, so maybe I should do that first. Just add our little flower there. And then just maybe a little curve there on the flower leaf. Oh, I'm still going to need this glue. Put a little glue here, and a little glue here. So when I stick this down, I'll stick it down a little more curved like that. Maybe a little higher up. Okay, I'm going to hold these pieces down. I'll be right back. Or these sides, should I say. Okay. And then I have some dimensionals to frame out this area. And maybe put this happy birthday to you, like right there. All right, guys, and quick and easy, right, to make a card when you're a little low on time. This is definitely a really nice set, I think, for scrapbook pages. It would be lovely because you just kind of bring all your little things out and pop them in here and there and really flesh out those pages. Oh, and before I go, guys, you know what? I'm going to take a insert from the card insert pack here, and I went through this. We have some gold, and there's gold there. Maybe this Cue the Confetti. I mean, this one works too, right? Cheers to the moment. Time to sparkle. It's your birthday. I think this would be really cute on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down to the inside, and that will finish off my card super quick and really, really pretty. There you go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I will have images coming up. I will have the links as appropriate. Again, possibly embedded in the video here down in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Diane Press, for sending these items for review. All right, guys. Well, have a good one. Bye now.